So now exercise 9.3. So here we have to obtain the differential equation representing the given family of curve by eliminating the arbitrary constants a and b. So arbitrary constants are given for question number 1 to 5. So question number 1. This is the general equation x by a plus y by b equal to 1. So here number of arbitrary constants are 2. Two arbitrary constants are there, a and b. So this differential equation will consist of second order derivative. Done? So now here differentiate on both sides with respect to x. Differentiate on both sides with respect to x. So here we are getting 1 upon a, 1 upon b. Differentiation of y is dy by dx equal to differentiation of 1 is 0. So here we are getting dy by dx equal to minus 1 upon a, and this b will go into numerator. So it's a minus b by a, minus b by a. This is first order. Number of arbitrary constants are 2. So again we have to differentiate. So again differentiate on both sides with respect to x. So we are getting second order derivative, that is d square y upon dx square equal to differentiation of this minus b by a, which are arbitrary constants. Differentiation of constant is 0. So d square y by dx square, which is a required differential equation for this family of this curve. Which curve is there? It's a straight line having x intercept a, y intercept b, an intercept form of line. So this is the differential equation of line, d square y by dx square equal to 0. Clear? Second one. So here y square equal to a b square minus x square is given. So first we'll simplify it. So it's a y square equal to ab square minus ax square. Now differentiate on both sides. Differentiate on both sides with respect to x. है ना, स्टूडेंट्स को ये लाइन लिखने में है ना प्रॉब्लम होता है कि मुझे ये नहीं लिखना है, ये क्यों लिखे बार बार, लेकिन आपको ये हर एक टाइम लिखना पड़ेगा, ठीक है, इसलिए मैं लिख रहा हूँ. डिफरेंशिएट ऑन बोथ साइड्स विद रिस्पेक्ट टू x. तो इसका डिफरेंशिएशन क्या होगा, y स्क्वायर 2y dy by dx इक्वल टू ab स्क्वायर 0 minus 2ax. Done? So this is y dy by dx, this 2 cut इक्वल टू, और ये x को नीचे ले ले, इक्वल टू माइनस a, y by x dy by dx इक्वल टू माइनस a. फर्स्ट ऑर्डर आया. Done? But here two arbitrary constants are there, so again we have to differentiate it. So again differentiate on both sides with respect to x. So this a will be eliminated. We are getting the answer. तो देखो इसका डिफरेंशिएट करते हैं. डिफरेंशिएशन अगेन डिफरेंशिएट ऑन बोथ साइड्स with respect to x. So this is y by x into dy by dx, u into v. So y by x as it is, differentiation of this dy by dx. So we are getting second order differentiation, d square y by dx square. plus dy by dx as it is, and again differentiation of this y by x, differentiation of y by x. तो वहां पर अगेन आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा, क्वेश्चन रूल अप्लाई करना पड़ेगा. So x as it is dy by dx minus y as it is differentiation of x upon x square equal to 0. Done. So now multiply this both term with the x square. So here we are getting xy d square y by dx square plus यहाँ पर x square मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो क्या होगा, एक x बचेगा. सो इट विल बी x और ये अंदर मल्टीप्लाई होगा. सो इट्स x dy by dx, ये मल्टीप्लाई हो गया स्क्वायर होगा माइनस यहाँ पर x स्क्वायर कट हो जाएगा. सो इट्स y इंटू dy by dx. सो y dy by dx equal to 0. So this is differential equation for this given curve y square equal to a d square minus x square. Done. So here we eliminate all the arbitrary constants. Here number of arbitrary constants are 2. So order of this differential equation is 2. Clear? So now question number 3. Here we are given y equal to a e raised to 3x plus b e raised to minus 2x. First we will simplify it. So it's a y equal to a e raised to 3x plus b माइनस पावर को पॉजिटिव कर लो e raised to 2x. क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो क्या होगा, इट्स a y equal to a e raised to 5x plus b होल डिवाइड बाई e raised to 2x. ना इसको यहाँ पर मल्टीप्लाई कर दो. सो इट्स e raised to 2x into y equal to a e raised to 5x plus b. Done. So now you have to differentiate on both sides with respect to x. So differentiate on both sides. Differentiate on both sides with respect to x. Now what is the differentiation of this one? E raised to 2x constant और एक काम करो, डिफरेंशिएशन ही कर दो चलो. सो e raised to 2x कांस्टेंट नहीं है, ऊपर x वेरिएबल है, ये दोनों मल्टीप्लिकेशन में है. सो e raised to 2x as it is differentiation of this y which is dy by dx plus y as it is differentiation of e raised to 2x is e raised to 2x into 2. डन. ये हो गया. यहाँ पर ये कांस्टेंट आएगा, ये कांस्टेंट डिफरेंशिएशन ऑफ e raised to 5x is e raised to 5x into 5 plus differentiation of b is 0, so plus 0. डन. इसको रीअरेंज करके लिखे तो क्या होगा, this will be e raised to 2x dy by dx plus this will be 2y e raised to 2x equal to this one is 5a e raised to 5x. Done. So now we are taking this e raised to 5x into denominator of this term, है ना. e raised to 5x को ये जो टर्म है उसके डिनोमिनेटर में ले लो. तो क्या होगा, it will be e raised to 2x dy by dx plus 2y e raised to 2x, उसके नीचे e raised to 5x, taking e raised to 5x in denominator इज इक्वल टू 5a। डन। देखो ये टर्म थी इसके डिनोमिनेटर में ले लिए। डन। So now writing this e raised to 5x separately for this both the numerator. So here we are getting e raised to 2x. This is 2x. So it's e raised to minus 3x और यहाँ पर भी e raised to minus 3x होगा. So we can take e raised to minus 3x common and remaining terms are dy by dx plus 2y है ना, dy by dx plus 2y, dy by dx plus 2y equal to 5a. So now again differentiate on both sides with respect to x. Again differentiate on both sides with respect to x. So what is the differentiation? Multiplication rule. These two terms are in multiplication. So differentiation is e raised to minus 3x, e raised to minus 3x as it is. No, u into v. Differentiation of this one. So differentiation of dy by dx is d square y by dx square plus differentiation of 2y is 2 dy by dx. U into v, no, u into v dash plus v as it is dy by dx plus 2y into integration of this e raised to minus 3x, e raised to minus 3x into minus 3 equal to 5a which is 0. So therefore इसको सिंप्लीफाई करके लिखें. So here we can take, this is first term, this is second term. Here we can take e raised to minus 3x common. So e raised to minus 3x common. Remaining terms are 1, 2, 3, 4 are the remaining terms. It's a d square y by dx square plus 2 dy by dx plus again 1 dy by dx plus 2y और ये 3 को अंदर मल्टीप्लाई करना था ना, तो ये माइनस 3 डी वाई बाई डी एक्स लिखो, माइनस है ना, ये 3 को मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं. सो माइनस 3 डी वाई बाई डी एक्स माइनस 6y इक्वल टू 0. तो इसका सिंप्लीफिकेशन क्या होगा? दिस विल बी ई रेज टू माइनस 3x को सामने भेज दो तो ये डिनोमीटर में 0 हो जाएगा, तो ये भी 0. तो दिस विल बी डी स्क्वेयर वाई बाई डी एक्स स्क्वेयर प्लस 2 dy by dx minus 3 dy by dx. So it's a minus dy by dx minus 6y इक्वल टू 0 है ना. कई सारी टेक्स्ट बुक में, रेफरेंस बुक में ये जो नोटेशन है इसको ऐसे लिखते हैं, डी स्क्वेयर वाई बाई डी एक्स स्क्वेयर सेकेंड ऑर्डर डेरिवेटिव, सो वाई डबल डैश माइनस वाई डैश माइनस 6y इक्वल टू 0. ये नोटेशन यूज करके भी आप ये पूरा सम सॉल्व कर सकते हो. क्लियर? सो दिस इज हाउ यू कैन गेट दी differential equation for this question number 3. Now question number 4. So here equation is y equal to e raised to 2x a plus bx. We have to obtain the differential equation for this. So here again 2 arbitrary constants are there, so differentiate on both sides with respect to x. Differentiate on both sides with respect to x. So differentiation is dy by dx equal to e raised to 2x as it is, differentiation of this a0 plus b, so it's e raised to 2x into b plus a plus bx as it is, differentiation of e raised to 2x is e raised to 2x into 2. Done. So we are getting dy by dx equal to, taking this e raised to 2x common, so e raised to 2x common, remaining terms are, और आप यहाँ पर है ना ये भी कर सकते हो, कॉमन नहीं लेना है. देखो ये a plus bx into e raised to 2x that is equal to y, so this is e raised to 2x b plus this one is 2y है ना, सिंप्लीफाई हो गया डायरेक्ट, इक्वल टू 1. डन. दिस इज गिवन y, so a plus bx into e raised to 2x is our given y. Is given y. So now differentiate, again differentiate on both sides. Again differentiate on both sides with respect to x. So this will be d square y by dx square equal to b constant e raised to 2x into 2 plus 2 dy by dx. Done? Rearrange करके लिखो. That will be your answer. So this one is d square y by dx square. और यहाँ पर भी आप ये कर सकते हो, है ना, b e रेस टू 2x, क्योंकि e रेस टू x को हमें एलिमिनेट ही कर देना है ना, तो dy by dx में आएगा. तो देखो फ्रॉम इक्वेशन 1 we can replace this e raised to 2x into b, this term, as a dy by dx minus 2y. So this one is d square y by dx square equal to dy by dx minus 2y into 2 plus 2 dy by dx. Done? This is your final answer. So d square y upon dx square equal to 2 dy by dx minus 4y plus 2 dy by dx. 2 dy by dx plus 2 dy by dx, 4 dy by dx. लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पर ले लो, इसको भी ले लो. सो फाइनल आंसर इज d square y by dx square minus 4 dy by dx plus this will be plus 4y equal to 0. Clear? So this is the differential equation for this question number